Well, he said he'd do what he could. I'll tell you what'll turn the trick. Just one good.
It's a baby bird learning to fly right now.
Everything we wanted, just like that.
Mommy's right here watching.
Why not? Look, Andy, people come here to the city to shop for things they can't get back home. All right, we do the same thing. No families in Mayberry.
Mommy's trying to teach him. Or her.
Let's go back to the hotel and eat supper and forget about our problems.
There's the other baby right there. They're learning to fly right now.
Have you got my
There it goes. Oh, good job. This is amazing.
steak and a baked potato and green beans?
Who gets to see this every day? Oh, 2 little babies learning to fly today. God be with them and bless them on their way into life. Look, she's right there. Right there. They're doing pretty good. One on the plant. Has a pretty hard time with it. Sorry, TV's on. Battery's almost dead. Just wanted to get a movie of these birds learning how to fly. God bless them. It's so cute. Oh, look that one right there. Oh, there's 3 babies. There's 3 babies. They're practicing on the porch. They're doing good. There goes one. Mom's worried. Well, we've got this one still sitting on the plant. Mom should be back. Where is it? It's just right there. See it? They're doing pretty darn good. Bless their little baby hearts. Oh, there's a hummingbird. This is the first time I've ever seen birds trying to learn how to fly. And there's another parent is over there. There she is. Got a hummingbird hanging around. Babies, you can do it. Oh. This is really interesting. Oh, there goes the baby again. So amazing. Well, that's it for now.